Hello, Terry. Thanks for being with us and thanks for a great talk. Could you please tell us, what was the main message of your talk?
Main message is that we have developed catalyst technologies to get rid of chemicals in water that produce low-dose adverse effects. This is a tremendous way of protecting the ecosphere from chemicals that we emit into the environment every day. In my lecture, I developed this more fully. In addition, the chemical enterprise really isn't sustainable primarily because of low-dose adverse effects. We really need to move on this very quickly, address it, and figure out how to deal with it.
So in your talk, you stressed the importance of in vivo developmental assays when it comes to risk assessment of low-dose adverse effects. Can you please tell us, why do you think developmental assays are so important?
The alternative is to do cellular assays that do not look at all of the complexity of what is going on in development. So development is sensitive at particular times to chemical intrusion. There's no way to really reproduce that in cellular assays. Time of dependent disruption, normally of the endocrine system. And so the only way we can possibly get the answers is to test living organisms in development.
All right. Thank you very much, Terry.
Thank you.
And thanks again for your talk.
Okay, thanks a lot. All right, good.
Thanks.